So my friend made us a 100 subscriber play button. She's kind of late, but it took her a while to make it and get it to me. Okay. So when I scratch it, sorry about the scratch marks. When I scratch it, yeah, see, that happens. Yeah, the paint comes off. So sorry for all the scratches, but in a minute you'll see why it took her forever to get it to us, and why it took so long to make. Sorry for the rude interruption, but my mom just called me. So in a couple of seconds we're gonna open this, but let's just admire how long this took her to make. This FNAF, because you know how we like, our name has FNAF in it. But yeah, let's jump into this. Okay, got the box open. It took me a couple minutes, but yeah, it was pretty hard to open. But I closed it really tight. But look at this. Friend made this out of putty. She tie-dyed it. It fell. Yeah. But look at this. We don't really do videos like this. Sorry if it's bad. But look at this. Watch, I can squish. Squish, squish, squish. Oh, if you want to know what Circus Baby looks like, here is what she looks like right now. She looks bald. But here, let me fix that. Sorry, I'm recording this with one hand, and my sibling is not here. And there we go. So there. It's not a bootleg. I'm not a bootleg. Back to the play button. But yeah, this is really nice. I like. And it does not stand up. Just watch. Okay, I'm gonna hang this up, but here, I'll do a speed thing. There. It's hung up. All nice and blue. No. Yes. Don't mind that. I was young and my brother painted that. It's paint water. Yeah.